Hey guys, this is 2019 Honda Pilot. How to reset the maintenance light. Just press to turn the key on, engine off, and on the left side of the steering wheel, so just press enter. And just press the down arrow. Keep going, bring it to maintenance and click enter, and you can see tire pressure, your tire pressure, and you going back now, going to oil life 20%, and just click and hold the enter. Yep, about maybe 10 seconds, and that message come up, and you going down all these items, click enter again, reset complete, all lives 100%. Yeah, so just use this one to reset the maintenance light. Yeah, so that's how you reset the maintenance light on this 2019 Honda Pilot. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.